Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AMP token. This video is very interesting for everybody, but before starting this video I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. ABS Tech channel will guide you how to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, and it will also give you a latest update about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the 2030 price of the AMP token. What will be the price of AMP in 2030? So let me show you. My friend, first of all we are going to talk about the latest update, and after that we are going to discuss the 2030 price of the AMP token. So now the latest price of the AMP in the market is 0.06599 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the AMP token. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes, my friends, the price changes of the AMP token is still positive. 0.19% the price increased just in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours the price taken a huge pump. Not a huge pump, my friends, small pump, but small, a drops make a river. Anyways, MP token is a good for investment because my friends, the price of the MP is very low, and on the other hand you can see, my friends, now the price is 0.23% pumping, my friends. So that's really good for investment, my friends. Anyways, furthermore, let me show you more about the MP token. But my friends, you know what, personally I recommend for all of you, especially if you want to invest in an AMP token. So my friends, AMP is not a paid coin. It's really a good coin for investment, my friends. The price is low, the changes is positive. So my friends, that's and you know what, if you hold AMP token just for this month, just for August, so I think you can get a maximum amount of profit from the AMP just in the last 24. You can see, my friends, from the price chart also clear that MP token a huge pump, but also jumps. Sometimes the price jumps, sometimes the price pump. But now if you look at the latest situation, so I think now this time they are in the pumping mood. So my friends, personally I recommend for all of you to buy now. My friends, you know what, my prediction is that the price of the AMP token in 2030 will be 5 to 6 USD dollar. 5 to 6 USD dollar will be the price of the AMP token in 2030. Can you agree with me? Tell me in the comment box. And my friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.